Good morning dear students. Okay, my name is Alamgir Sk. Today I will teach you quadratic equation. Okay, this chapter belongs to class 11. So before entering into this chapter, we will learn four terms. Okay, so expressions, identity, equation, inequality. What is expression? As far as expression is concerned in mathematics, if you write 2x plus 3, that is an expression. Okay, if you write 4x square plus 2x plus 1, also it is an expression. Okay, and what is equation? As far as equation is concerned, if you put the sign of equal, that is the sign of equal, already you know. Okay, so that is the sign of equal. If you put sign of equal, and also if you put another expression is equal to, if I put the another expression 4x square plus 2x plus 1, so it's an equation. Okay, so we can't say that is an equation, because if you wish to write down any equation, then you have to put equal sign, also there will be left side and right side, and also there will be a variable as like x or y. Okay, totally depend on you which kind of variable you will choose. Okay, so and already I have written an identity, so therefore I will tell what is identity. Identity already you know when you were in class 7, when you are in class 8, and you know some formulae. Okay, so those formulae, a plus b whole square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square. So that is the identity. Why a plus b square is equal to a square plus 2ab plus b square? Why it is an identity? Because if you put the value of a and b, any value, okay, from real numbers, so or any complex number also, so it will be satisfied. Left and right will give the same value. But in equation, if you choose the value of x, same value, if I put the value x is equal to 1 in this side, you will get the different. If you put the 1 in this side, you will get the different value. So it will not satisfy for all numbers. Okay, but identity it will satisfy in all numbers. And inequality already you know, inequality there will be on sign less equal to, or that is the greater equal to or less equal to. So that is not my topic. My topic is quadratic equation. So that is the introduction part. So what is quadratic equation? As far as quadratic equation is concerned, ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0. That is the general form of a quadratic equation. If you are able to express any equation in the form of x square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we will say this equation is an quadratic equation. Also we have to mention on condition, that is a not equal to 0. Always a not equal to 0. If a is equal to 0, then quadratic equation does not exist. Okay, so let me give an example. 2x square plus 3x plus 2, that is an quadratic equation, because we can express in the form of ax square plus bx plus c. But if I put 0 into x square 3x plus 2 equal to 0, because you know if you multiply any numbers with 0 is equal to 0, it will vanish. So it will become 3x plus 2 is equal to 0. So that is not the quadratic equation. If it would be quadratic equation, then degree would be 2. So what is the degree? That is the degree would be 2. Okay, so but that is not the degree up to degree of 1. So that is the linear equation. So if you wish to write down any quadratic equation, then you have to write, if you are able to express in the form of ax square plus bx plus c is equal to 0, then we call this equation is an quadratic equation. Otherwise it is impossible. Okay, otherwise it is impossible. So that is the quadratic equation, or already I have told the degree of this equation is 2. So root of this equation would be 2. There are 2 roots, okay, exist. So already you have learned how to find out the roots of an quadratic equation if you know the middle factor. So if you do the middle factor and if you are able to express in the form of x minus alpha, x minus beta is equal to 0, then you can find the root x equal to alpha and x equal to beta, okay, that is the general form. But if you are unable to express in the form of any quadratic equation in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta, then you have to hire a formula, okay, and you have to get a formula from Siddharacharya, and already I think you know the name of Siddharacharya. He is the great mathematician. He had supplied a formula, okay. So let me write down the formula. X equal to, if this is the equation, then in general without doing any middle factor we can find out the value of x, we can find out the roots, okay. So that is the formula minus b plus minus root over b square minus 4ac by 2a, okay, that is the formula. If you apply this formula, you can find out the roots of an quadratic equation when you are unable to express in the form of x minus alpha into x minus beta, okay. And also already you know also b square minus 4ac, b square minus 4ac is called by discriminant, okay, discriminant, or it helps us to find out the roots are in real number, or roots are in complex number, or roots are in all both roots are equal, okay. So if b square minus 4ac greater than 0, then roots will be unequal and real. B square minus 4ac is equal to 0, then roots will be real and equal. B square minus 4ac less than 0, then roots will be complex number, okay. Roots will be complex number, and already we know the complex number. When I will teach the complex number, then you will come to know about the complex number, okay. So there are a lot of things to say about quadratic equation, and also we can find out the relations between coefficient and the roots. If the roots are alpha and beta, if the roots are alpha and beta, then the relation between coefficient means you know a, b, c are the coefficient of this quadratic equation, then alpha plus beta is equal to minus b by a, alpha into beta is equal to c by a, okay. So there are a lot of things, okay. So that is for you, because already our sir told me to make this video within 5 minutes. I think it exceeds 5 minutes, okay. So Bandhar.